Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today we've got something special for all of you millennial homeowners who are itching to transform your house into a haven of comfort and style. I'm Christina from HartmanBaldwin, and I'm here to guide you through the top 5 emerging trends of 2024. Let's dive in. First up, we have a trend that not only looks good, but also feels good: sustainable luxury. Millennial homeowners are increasingly seeking eco-friendly and sustainable design solutions. Think reclaimed wood, recycled materials, and energy-efficient appliances. It's all about creating a space that not only looks fantastic, but also minimizes its impact on the environment. Embrace nature-inspired color palettes, and bring the outdoors in with lush, low-maintenance plants for a truly sustainable and chic home. Next on the list is a trend that suits the dynamic lifestyle of millennial families: flexible living spaces. With remote work and homeschooling becoming the norm, homeowners are rethinking how they use their spaces. Consider open floor plans that seamlessly blend living, dining, and working. Invest in multifunctional furniture that adapts to your family's ever-changing needs. It's all about creating a home that can evolve with you, while providing comfort and functionality for every stage of life. Now let's talk about the future: tech-savvy homes. Smart home technology is taking center stage in 2024. From automated lighting and climate control to integrated home security systems, millennials are embracing the convenience and efficiency that technology brings. Imagine controlling your entire home with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. It's not just about gadgets, it's also about creating a connected and intelligent living space that enhances your everyday life. Our fourth trend is a feast for the senses: global fusion. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter designs and embrace the eclectic beauty of global influences. Mix and match patterns, textures, and colors from around the world. Incorporate handmade and artisanal pieces to add character and depth to your space. This trend celebrates diversity, telling the story of your family's journey through carefully curated decor. It's all about creating a home that's as unique as you are. Last, but certainly not least, we have Biophilic Design. In a fast-paced world, there's a growing desire to reconnect with nature, and that's where Biophilic Design comes in. Integrate natural elements like wood, stone, and plenty of greenery. Maximize natural light and create spaces that blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. Biophilic Design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about fostering a sense of well-being and tranquility within your home. And there you have it, the top 5 emerging remodeling trends for 2024. Whether you're a new homeowner or looking to give your current space a fresh update, these trends are sure to inspire. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design inspiration. Remember, your home is a reflection of your unique style and lifestyle, so have fun with it. Until next time, happy remodeling.